Hello everyone. So today I think I have to talk about this earthquake incident. So today is March 14th. It's midnight, so it's just past March 13th night. So it's been 3 days. 1, 2, 3 days. It's been 2 days since the earthquake occurred. So ever since the earthquake occurred, every news channel is broadcasting about this earthquake. No movie, no what's called variety show is going on. So I believe you have, many of you, most of you, every one of you has seen videos or read about this earthquake. But I think I should tell you about this, or how I feel about this as Japanese, as I am Japanese and living in Tokyo, where it was affected by this earthquake. Not so greatly, but still we had a lot of damage. So this earthquake originally occurred at northeast of Japan, in the ocean. So Miyagi Prefecture coast. So you know this detail. So one thing I found, I don't know. So maybe you know about this, but Tokyo Tower. So the top part of Tokyo Tower has been bent by this earthquake. And today's March 14th. Actually, today's March 13th midnight. Technically, it's March 14th, but so tomorrow, from tomorrow, meaning from 14th of March, electricity saving will be on practice. What it means is, since nuclear plant has been destroyed, not completely destroyed, but nuclear plant have had damage, a lot of damage. So it's not working properly. So we have a shortage of electricity in Kanto area. So from today, this company that's making electricity is demanding on us that we must save electricity so that we will have electricity, because everyone uses. So from tomorrow, this company called Tokyo Denraku will operate a kind of intern shutting down electricity operation. I named it. So my city, my Hachioji, is a part of places that has been chosen to cut off its electricity. So today's 14th, from 9:20 to 1 p.m. and 6:20 p.m. to 10, we have no electricity. My part. So they have divided, I don't know, Tokyo, maybe the Kanto area or Tokyo, into 5 parts, and so they shut off electricity one by one region. So my part is region 2. So we have no, and they say this operation will last until the end of April. So I couldn't even imagine how it will be without electricity. But I have candle. But anyway, so yeah, I'm working at a supermarket, and today, 13th, even today, this Tokyo Denraku, this company, electricity company, has demanded that we should save electricity. So this supermarket I'm working at saved electricity by turning off like the light at showcases. So it was kind of strange atmosphere. And sadly, it's been said that over 1,300 people have died, and still over 1,600 people are missing. So in total, about or more than 3,600 people have died or have been missing. So, and they say that there will be more people that have been killed or missing. That's a lot of people. They were killed by tsunami, I believe mostly by tsunami and directly by this earthquake. And even in Tokyo, it's so far they say 6 people were killed. Yeah. So some news shows I saw was showing that I think it was Tokyo areas building moving. Maybe it was not Tokyo, but Miyagi. But it was literally shaking. So the ground was shaking so bad that this building, this whole building is moving. You can see it, and this ground is literally moving. Everywhere it's moving, and so you can't even stand up, right? So ground is, I'm repeating this, but ground is not flat, but brick-like ground is really like, so there's gap, so it's like movie. So if you have ever seen a movie 2012, it's about Earth ending. So it was literally like that. So tsunami is coming all along the coast, and it's, I think I heard tallest tsunami was like 7 meters. It's over. Anyway, it's over 20 feet. So it's way too high, and some are 4 meters, and it crushed everything, literally everything. After a moment, your town becomes like river or ocean. There's nothing but only water and leftover things. Yeah, cars are like ant. Cars are moved like phew. Wow. So I believe you can see those videos on YouTube or any other news site online. So yeah, I think I'd like to show you some videos later after I edit. But it will still continue hard time will still continue. So yeah, and they what? So first it was said that the earthquake was magnitude 8.8, but they re-announced that it was actually 9.0, magnitude 9.0. So it was huge earthquake that we have never ever had. And they say within 3 days, maybe Tokyo area and Kanto area in its ocean nearby Tokyo, we have up to magnitude 7 earthquake within 3 days. Up to 70% of the possibility we have magnitude 7 earthquake. They say. I hope it won't happen, but please. Anyway, that's it for now. Please keep updated, so there will be more news coming. Thank you.